The BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicle is one of the advanced weapons systems used by the Russian Army and a number of other countries. Developed in the early 1980s, the BMP-3 was designed to provide effective combat support for infantry troops in a variety of terrain conditions. Design and dimensions. The BMP-3 has a distinctive design with an aerodynamic shape and sharp corners. Its dimensions include a length of approximately 7.14 meters, a width of 3.25 meters, and a height of 2.4 meters, and its weight ranges from 18 to 20 tons, depending on the configuration and installed equipment. Engine and performance. Multi-fuel diesel engine UTD-9 V6, equipped with a turbocharger and liquid cooling system. The engine has a power of about 500 horsepower, capable of providing a maximum speed of about 70 kilometers per hour on the road and 10 kilometers per hour on water, and also its operational range reaches around 600 kilometers on roads and 500 kilometers on water. Armament. The BMP-3 is equipped with a 100 mm caliber to A7 automatic cannon which can fire a PFSDS, armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot rounds and thermobaric rounds as well. There is a 7.6 mm caliber PKT coaxial machine gun to deal with light infantry threats. The BMP-3 is also equipped with 30 mm caliber to A7 automatic cannon, which has effective anti-aircraft capabilities. Amphibious and crew capabilities. BMP-3 is equipped with amphibious propulsion, which allows it to operate in water using water, wheels, and screw drives, and also the crew consists of 3 people including the commander, driver, and gunner. The BMP-3 is used by the Russian Army and many other countries as the primary infantry fighting vehicle to provide fire support and mobility for infantry troops. The BMP-3 has proven to be a highly effective platform in providing combat support across diverse battlefields with its combination of powerful armament, good protection, and amphibious capabilities. The BMP-3 remains one of the leading combat vehicles in the world today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next video.